Imagine that you wake up with a start. Legions of aliens are attacking our planet. They are far superior to us, physically, mentally, and technologically. We are forced to toil away for them, and they use us for medical experiments. They love some of us to play and cuddle with, but not all humans have the good fortune to be an alien's pet. To them, we humans are a gourmet dish, and they have a particular liking for human meat. They bomb the milk from our women and use it to make delicious drinks for themselves. Millions of people are kept in battery farms, fattened up and then slaughtered. Outraged, you run to the alien's leader and ask him, "It has to stop. How can you be so cruel?" And he answers,
We are not so cruel at all. Under Article 4, Paragraph 32, Section 5b of Intergalactical Human Welfare Ordinance, our behaviorism is absolutely legal. Your minds are primitive, as is your language. We need your milk, and your meat is delicious and a good source of protein. Also, we need you for medical testing. What do you get so upset about? Don't you do the same thing with animals?
"It feels like the rug has been pulled out from under you. The extraterrestrial has a point. Don't we treat animals in exactly the same way? Should we be able to do things to animals which may not done to us?" This was a thought experiment introduced by the German philosopher Richard David Brecht. Assuming that we all agree that we must not kill people for food. So the question is pretty obvious now. Is there a difference between people and animals that explains why it's morally permissible to kill animals for food but not permissible to kill people? They are different species. People are smarter than animals. The problem is this is the same argument that the aliens king used to justify killing humans. So that doesn't seem to explain it. Some people, like the famous atheist scientist Richard Dawkins, argues. The answer is simple. It is how nature works. We are all animals and we are descending from animals. So the question, is it morally permissible to kill animals for food, is not genuine. It is implying that a moral permit is applicable to meat consumption. Killing animals for food is a normal biological way of living that has been practiced by humans for thousands of years. To ask such a question is flawed, because killing animals for food is not something permitted. That's like asking, is it morally permissible to sleep, walk, or talk? These are not acts that require moral permitting. They are normal biological functions. We are biologically functioned to consume, digest, and extract the nutrients from animals. And for that function to happen, it requires the killing of animals. You don't need to morally justify a biological no, but that's again justify the argument of aliens leader to kill people for food. So hopefully by now you have a better and far-reaching perspective about eating meat, or at least you get a better understanding why some people just don't.